Alright, I'm going to keep going with this project, which I just had up a second ago. Oh no, where'd it go? Oh, there we go. Alright, continuing on. So, and let's see, redraw the self.chat. Where did I just put that? Okay. For event in hiding event dot get. So it has to go for here. Okay. Jester, hello, and you're welcome for the birthday wishes. How you doing? All the green is bothering me, so I just flip it around. I'm pretty sure this is where I'm supposed to put it. All true statement. So, and redraw. Actually, I don't think that's in the right place. No, that works. This example might be backwards, actually. No, I'm not sure. I'm okay, just trying to get by. Yeah, same with us all. It's about the same. Do you know Python or any language? Do you need that for your job? I don't need it. I tried to self-teach myself some kind of coding years ago and figured out it wasn't for me. That's fair. Do you remember what language it was? Why am I not finding? Oh, check. Join. Check events. Wait, is this supposed to be C++? Maybe? Yeah, I think that's one of the more difficult ones. I'm probably not gonna ever learn that. So if you ever want to get back to it, trying to learn Python seems to be pretty easy. Howdy, hey Cap. I'm here but working, so I'm just lurking. Yeah, that's fine. You got to do you. I think I'm done this wrong. I need to double check. Yeah, that's supposed to be its own line. No, it's not what I wanted. Okay, and you stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? Cap is sus. Cap is very sus. Actually, everyone in my chat is sus. Nope, I think, nope, that's still wrong. Okay. Okay, I already added that. Now I need to add a define update screen. Oh, okay, I see what I'm supposed to be doing here. Okay. Apparently this is indented wrong too. I probably fucked something up here. Let's see, class, alien invasion. Yep, that's indented right, that's indented right. Check events, is the same, check. Remove the code that draws the background of the ships and flips the screen to update screen. Now the body of the main loop in run game is much simpler. It's easier to see that we're looking for new events and updating the screen on each pass through of the loop. Alright. Piloting the ship. Whenever the player presses a key, the key press is registered in Pygame as an event. Each event is picked up by pygame.event.get method. We need to specify in our check events method what kind of event we want the game to check for. Each key press is registered as a key down event. When Pygame detects a key down event, we need to check whether the key that was pressed is one that triggers a certain action. For example, if the player presses the right arrow key, we want to increase the ship's rect.x value to move the ship to the right. Okay. So check events. Define check events, which is this one. I need to add after sys exit. Okay. Elif event dot type equals Pygame. That's good. Oh wow. Okay. Pygame dot key down. If event dot key equals Pygame dot k right. Move the ship to the right. Set that ship dot rect dot x plus equals 1. That looks really strange. I don't think that matters because it looks like it's probably going to change anyways. allowing continuous movement. Wait, what file? Oh, I need to go to the ship file. Okay. Now I need to find, okay, so class ship, find NN. Now I need a, okay, mint flag, self dot, moving right equals false. Define update self. Nope, that's wrong. Self. Update the ship's position based on the movement of, nope, movement flag. If self moving right self dot direct hit vector self plus equals 1. We move the self.moving right attribute into the init method and set it to false initially. Then we add update, which moves the ship right if the flag is true. The update method will be called through an instance of ship, so it's not considered a helper method. Now we need to modify check event so that moving right is set to true when the right arrow key is pressed and false when the key is released. So we gotta go, we're back in Alien Invasion, we need def check events, and so self.ship moving right equals true. Okay, one thing I don't like about this book is they're showing all this code, and it does matter how far tabbed in you are on these lines, which it's more difficult to see when the next line is like it's on the next page. I can't tell if that's indented from the other one necessarily. But okay, I'll just keep typing and best guess it. They do give the code. Wait, no, am I doing this? Yes, okay. They do give me the code that I can check it at least in an actual file. Okay, assume. Okay. All that code to say if I'm pressing the right arrow key, move it right. If I'm not pressing the right arrow key, don't move it right. Actually, that's not that many lines. But now I've got to do that with left. Also, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be in here still. I'm going to add that as a note or a comment. Not sure if this line stays. I think that's going to get removed. Actually, just for fun, I'm going to see what happens. Unexpected incident. Well, that's different. Oh. I broke it. That should be put back to there. Okay. It moves! Haha! I can only move right now, though. It moves so slow, too. Okay. Yeah, that takes a while to move over. Okay, if I just restart the shuttle, that get rid of this. Yes, it will. Okay. I figure out how to get rid of the window now. All right, moving both left and right. Ooh, we get to add left and right. Oh wait, I think I'm missing. think I'm missing a line here. Deflon game. Up here. Yep, I'm missing a line. I need to add self dot ship dot update. Save that. And I'm going to run the module again just to see. Oh my goodness. That went right off the screen. Okay. Moving both left and right. Now that the ship can continuously move to the right, adding movement to the left is straightforward. Again, we'll modify ship class and check event method. Here are the relevant changes to the init and update in ship. So we've got to go back to this file. And this is under look for self.moving right. I just added this. There it is. So movement flag. Okay. Self.moving left equals false. Then under update self, they really want me just to update it like that. Okay. And if self.moving left self direct x minus equals 1. Okay. And coming back, let's see, save this. And coming back to the alien invasion file. Oh, hello, new viewers, whoever you may be. It says I'm up to 5 right now. I know Cap is lurking. I'm assuming Jester's still here. Hello to the unknowns. And I need to add movement here for let's see. Key down, key right, equals true, and then I need to add, I think, wait, elif, really? I gotta do, oh, okay, I see why. I get it now. Event.key. Game that K left self.ship moving left equals true. And then I gotta add elif type elif. There we go. Event.key equals peg dot oh, K for key. K left self dot ship moving left equals false. Okay. File save. Alright. I'm gonna run it. Woohoo! Okay, that's more fun than it should be, but I made it, so it's a lot of fun. Alright, restart shell to get rid of it, and we'll keep editing. Adjusting the ship's speed. So if we gotta go to settings now. All right. Ship settings. Self the ship speed equals 1.5. Way to come in, Cap, and say no you to Jester after like 20 minutes or so. I'm sure he feels hurt. Okay. I want to see if it's faster now. Yeah, that's faster. When we adjust, when the ship moves now, the position is adjusted by 1.5 pixels rather than 1 pixel on each pass through the loop. We're using decimal values for the speed setting to give us finer control of the ship's speed when we increase the tempo of the game later on. However, direct attributes such as X store only integer values, so we need to make some modification to ship. So we gotta go back to ship.py. We gotta add some things here. I need water. Okay, so first thing we gotta do, we gotta look for self-screen, AI game screen, and we gotta add self settings. equal AI game dot settings. And now we need to go down to start each new ship at the bottom of the screen. Okay. And they want store a decimal value for the ship's horizontal position and self.x equals float self.rect.x. And there's still got like 5 more lines to add. Okay, so def update self. You want to go down and add just a comment here. Update the ship's X value, not the rectangle. Oh, wait. Not a line there. I need to put a line. Wait, am I supposed to change the whole line? Self dot. If self, then up moving right. Self dot x. Okay, I think I'm supposed to modify these lines. Self dot x plus equals self dot settings dot ship underscore speed. I also noticed my typo. And same thing over here. Except this one is minus. Wait, I'm doing this wrong. Minus equals self dot settings dot ship speed. And update rect object from self dot x. You want self dot rect dot x equals self dot x we create a settings attribute for ship so we can use it in update. Because we're adjusting the position of the ship by fractions of a pixel, we need to assign the position to a variable that could store a decimal value. You can use a decimal value to set an attribute of rect, but the rect will only keep the integer position of that value. To keep track of the ship's position accurately, we define a new self.x attribute that can hold decimal values. We use the float function to convert the value of self.rect.x to a decimal and assign this value to self.x. Okay, limiting the ship's range. At this point, the ship will disappear off either edge of the screen if you hold down the arrow key long enough. Yeah, we saw that earlier. Let's correct this so the ship stops moving when it reaches the screen's edge. We do this by modifying the update method in ship. So we go back to, oh no, we stay in this one. Def update self, and if self moving right. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so I need to make this just a really long, much longer statement. And self dot correct dot right self dot screen rect right, and this one self dot moving underscore left and self dot rect dot left is greater than 0. Okay, save that. And I want to try running this again. So if I go all the way there, it stops. It's not going left. Oh no. I'm going to run it again. Now it's not doing anything. What is going on? Oh, I have a typo somewhere. Line 32. Is there a way to see, like, there has to be a way to put, like, numbers as to what line you're on. Okay, because I don't want to count every time. I'm going to Google it real quick. Bender. Good old coordinates. Yes. Let's see. Python. Idle. Line. Numbers. Fortunately, there's not an option to display line numbers in idle, although there is an enhancement request open for this. Oh, this is like a 6-year-old thing. Can I sort this? No. How shown the line numbers of Python? Okay, that's from this year. There is a go-to line under edit. Oh! Okay, well that's useful. Did that work? Let's see, it says in line 32. So I'm gonna put 32. Yeah, I guess that works. Apparently there is a way though. Oh. Okay. You need idle 3.8. Is Ripple Pro here? Because he just earned a right to give me all sorts of crap for not updating yesterday. I guess now I'm gonna update. Not during stream though. But according to this, I've got. Okay. self.x. See, what it's telling me is it's saying, yeah, that. Oh, you know what? I'm looking at the wrong file. Go to line 2. Yep, there's my typo. Okay. Save that. And let's run it. And it is stopping at the edges. Bender, thank you very much for making me aware of that option. You are a total bro. Okay. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Let's keep going. So now we're, let's see, refactoring check events. Check events method will increase the length as we continue to develop the game. So let's break check events into 2 more methods. One that handles key down events and another that handles key up events. We need the alien invasion file, which is on the screen. If event elif event type equals key down, if wait, now this is making me change the whole thing. This can't be right. Something's up. Or am I reading it wrong? No, I'm reading that right. Apparently I'm supposed to delete these 2 lines. Wait. Def check key down. Where's that? Is that... Where do I add that? I add that. And that's if event key equal pygame.key. Oh, so I'm supposed to like redo this. This is weird. So okay, so I'm supposed to put a def key down events. Wait, did I do this right? Yeah. Yes? No? Oh my goodness, I don't even know. You know what? I'm just going to start typing and I'll check after I think I'm done, and I probably won't be. Self event respond to key presses, and this has to be back. Okay. So Oh, and up here I'm supposed to be adding. I gotta add a thing. Key down. Self dot check. Key down. Events. Events. No, just event. Just event. And then key up. So I'm supposed to take this line. And that's not supposed to be. Key up, and then self dot check key up events. Okay. And then def check down events. Response to presses if event dot key equals pygame dot key right. Self dot ship dot moving right equal true, and elif event dot key equal pygame k dot left. And okay. And now I need to put a def check key up events self event and if key event is right, self dot ship is false. Oh, that's too far. Okay. That's what it's supposed to look like. And then pressing Q to quit. So I need def check key down events. For some reason it goes under that. Self dot ship dot moving left equals true, and then I make a new line. Elif event dot key equal pygame dot k q. This doesn't feel like where I'm supposed to be putting it, but well, let's see. It says now that we're responding to key presses eventually, we can add another way to quit the game. It gets tedious to click the X at the top of the game windows of the game window to end the game every time you test a new feature. So we'll add a keyboard shortcut to end the game when the player presses Q. Okay, so sys.exit. Alright. So let's test it. Save it and we'll run it. So it's still moving side to side, it's stopping properly. And if I press Q, it'll work. Okay. It's probably not in the right spot. And check. Did I do it in the right file? Yeah, I did it in the right file. And check key down events. We add a new block that ends the game when the player presses Q. No, we didn't. get rid of that. Sys.exit. I'm trying to see if I typed something wrong, maybe, but event.key equals pygame dot capital K underscore Q. Yeah, that's exactly how it's supposed to look. I'm not gonna be super worried about that because I can still close out of it anyways. Running the game in full screen mode. Oh gee, we are adding all sorts of. I thought this would just be a simple thing, but we are adding all sorts of stuff. So I need to go up here and self.screen equals pygame.display.set mode. So I'm going to edit this line and make it bigger so I can see. It wants me to change a few things here. And get rid of that. And inside here, it just wants 0, 0, and then over here, pygame dot full screen, like that. And then self dot settings dot screen width equals self dot screen get rect dot width, and then same with height. Self dot settings dot screen height equals self screen dot get direct height. Did I do that right? Looks right to me. Alright, file, save. I'm gonna try running it. Let's see what it does now. Oh, so that just takes up the whole screen. You can't even see, okay, so you can't even see it because my screen's kind of big for the Twitch stream. But I can move this back and forth, and if I press Q, well, it doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna just restart the shell, which should exit out of it. I kind of don't want to. You know what? I'm gonna put it back to. I want to put it back to how it was. Honestly, I don't like the full screen. I'm just gonna. Let's see. This is me adding my own code now. Kinda. Okay, so put that there, and then I'm just gonna comment out these, and I want to put this back to how it was, which was. See, I don't have that code anymore. I already saved it. Trying to find this again so I can correct it. Let's let's see what was under the define init. Self-dead screen, set mode. Self that. And self dot settings dot screen width and self dot settings dot screen and height. I'm going to save it and I'm going to run it again. Yeah, I like it like that. I think it's more fun that way. And also easier to see on stream. And I don't have to adjust anything. So, something I'm noticing though, if I click anywhere else and then click back in, it doesn't work anymore. I don't know if there's a reason for that or not. I'm sure there is. But yeah, I don't think I need to add a comment. This says full screen. That explains it pretty well. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna. If you want to make this full screen, comment out this entire line and remove and uncomment the next 3. Okay. Save. Quick recap, in this next section we'll add the ability to shoot bullets, which involves adding a new file called bullet.py and making some modifications to some of the files we're already using. Right now we have 3 files containing a number of classes and methods. To be clear about how the project is organized, let's review each of these files before adding more functionality. Alien invasion.py. The main file contains the alien invasion class. This class creates a number of important attributes used throughout the game. The settings are assigned to settings. The main display surface is assigned to screen. And a ship instance is created in this file as well. The main loop of the game, a while loop, is also stored in this module. The while loop calls check events, ship update, and update screen. And the check events method detects relevant events such as key presses and releases and processes each of these types of events through the methods check key down events, check key up events. For now, these methods manage the ship's movement. The alien invasion class also contains update screen, which redraws the screen on each pass through the main loop. Alien invasion.py file is the only file you need to run when you want to play the game. Other files, settings, and ship contain code that is imported into this file. The settings.py file contains the settings class. This class only has an init method which initializes attributes controlling the game's appearance and the ship's speed. Ship.py file contains the ship class. The ship class has an init method, an update method, and to manage the ship's position, and a blip.me method to draw the ship on the screen. The image of the ship is stored in ship.bmp, which is in the images folder. And then it's talking about other projects and Pygame documentation that I can go check out, which I'm not going to do right now. Next, we need to go to the settings file here, and they want to... Oh, gee. That's not very clear at all. Well, I'm just going to add... Okay. I'm just going to start adding it here. I hope it doesn't matter where I add this because I'm not sure if this is the right spot. So that bullet speed equals 1.0. That's bothering me. Why is it doing that? Okay. I'm guessing that's a light gray. Sorry, I need some water. What's everyone up to? Chat is very quiet today. Alright, so these create the bullet settings. Let's save it. And I need a new file. I'm going to save this as bullet.py. I'll move it over here. Okay. Import Pygame from Pygame.sprite. Import sprite. I'm guessing that does not mean the pop. Bullet. Bender is flying a plane. Bender is a unlicensed amateur pilot. Even though he flies a plane every week. He likes those flight simulators. It's pretty cool though. Is that in VR or is that good enough to fly for Southwest? Is that VR by chance, or is that just regular monitor desktop? Class bullet sprite. Regular desktop with flight stick and throttle. Oh, okay, so you got all the cool controls for it. Class to manage bullets fired from the ship. And find in it. Wait, no, I had that right. Really. Self AI game. Create a bullet object. At the ship's current position. Super. And it, oh yeah, these things need 2 underscores, otherwise it doesn't work correctly. Oh no, that's not what I want to do. I'm being real bad here. Okay. Init. Self.screen equals AI dot. No. Wait, am I doing this right? Self.screen equals AI underscore game dot screen. Self dot settings equals AI game dot settings. Self dot color equals self dot settings dot bullet color. Create a bullet direct at 0. Typing's hard. And then set correct position. Okay. Self dot rect equals pygame dot rect 0 0 self dot settings dot bullet width self dot settings dot bullet heights. Close parentheses and next line. Oh, self dot mid top equals AI underscore game dot ship dot rect dot mid top. Store the bullet position as a decimal value. Self.y equals float self dot rect dot y. Okay, that is the bullet.py file. Save it. And here's the second part of the... Wait, I gotta change it already? Hold on. Oh, okay, so... This is the line that makes the bullet emerge from the top, middle top of the image called ship.bmp, so that it looks like the ship is firing a bullet. Okay. So I just need to keep adding to this. I guess. Alright, def update self. Move the bullets up the screen. Update the decimal position of the bullet. Self.y equals... Oh wait, no, that's minus equals self.settings.bullet speed. The comment, update the rect position. Self.rect.y equals self.y. And save. The update method manages the bullet's position. When a bullet is fired, it moves up the screen, which corresponds to a decreasing y coordinate value. To update the position, we subtract the amount stored in settings .bullet speed from self.y. We then use this value of self.y to set the value of self.rect.y. The bullet speed setting allows us to increase the speed of the bullets as the game progresses, or as needed to refine the game's behavior. Once a bullet is fired, we never change the value of its x coordinate, so it will travel vertically in a straight line even if the ship moves. When we want to draw a bullet, we can draw a bullet. The draw.react function fills the part of the screen defined by the bullet's rect with the color stored in self.color. Storing bullets in a group. Gotta go back to Alien Invasion. And what do I need to find here? Def in itself, and then skip over to self.ship equals ship. Okay. Now we'll add self.bullets equals pygame.sprite Group. And we need to update it. So we need run game, check events, ship updates, and then self dot bullets dot update. I will be surprised if I make it through this entire thing without messing up if I needed to put an S at the end of a noun somewhere. Bullets versus bullets or something like that. Save. Firing bullets. I guess it's pointless to test this right now if you can't fire the bullets yet. Actually, no, it's not. I'm going to run it anyways just to see if any errors happen. Okay. So we're good. Everything's working so far. Okay, let's fire bullets. From ship, import ship, we need to add a new line, and we know we do from bullet, import bullet. Okay. And I need to go down to key down events. Wait, I just lost my spot. Alright, define check key down events. And it wants me to put something after. Okay, it wants me to put something down after this, which that ain't working anyway, so alright, I'm gonna try this. I mean, I guess I really don't have an option here. I'm going to see if it makes a difference if I switch around the quit and or the Q and the space if this doesn't work. Dot key. All right, equals pygame dot k space self dot fire bullet. Hey, old man. Ripple Pro, good to see ya. Starting off with poking the bear early, are ya? You should have been here earlier. There's definitely maybe something you could have given me some hassle about, but you missed it, so now you won't know. You'll have to watch a replay. See, we are... Oh, gee, we're already an hour and 25... Nope, not going to tell you. I'm going to make you look for it. No, I'm going to make you look for it. Yeah, I know you have to know. I don't have time for that. Good. I work now. Yeah, I work too. Okay, let's test this now. We're going to run the module. Okay, still moving side by side. And I broke it. Does Q work? Nope, it broke. But you do streaming, I don't. I don't even stream that much. Alright, let's restart this shell. Get that off the screen, and I'm going to look at the error. Looks like attribute error has no attribute. Okay, so apparently, did I spell that wrong? Self._fire_bullet open and close parentheses. That looks correct. So let's look at the bullet file. And is there anything to find in that in here like that? I don't think so. Okay, well, apparently I missed something somewhere. Not quite sure what that is. So we're in troubleshooting mode now. It ain't working. And I hate this because I'm just staring at code, not talking. If anyone joins, it'll look like I'm not doing. But I work, but I do. Good night. You just got here. What's with this? Call me the old man. You're going to bed at 7 o'clock. Or you gone already? You probably left already. All right. I need to find what I did wrong here. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna put that here. Let's see if this changes anything. Run module. And if I hit space, that's when I break it. It's actually giving me 4 different lines that it's because I didn't finish typing out the code that's on the page. That's why I am completely confused. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the code. I'm real smart. So let's see, we do def key down, key up, and now we. Okay. I knew I didn't make this yet because I didn't. Def fire bullet self. Okay. All right. Create a new bullet and add it to the bullets group. New bullet equals bullet self dot bullets dot add new bullet. And for update screen, I need to add after Blitme for bullet in self dot bullets that's right bullet dot draw bullet. Okay, save. Wait, am I done? There's another page. Okay, so first we import the bullet, then we call fire bullet. I'm gonna hit run while I'm reading this. When the space bar is pressed in fire bullet, we make an instance of the bullet and call it new bullet, and then add it to the group bullets using the add method. The add method is similar to append, but it's a method that's written specifically for Pygame groups. The bullets sprites method returns a list of all sprites in the group bullets. To draw all fired bullets to the screen, we loop through the sprites in bullets and call draw bullet on each one. Now when you run Alien Invasion, you should be able to move the ship right and left and fire as many bullets as you want. The bullets travel up the screen and disappear when they reach the top, as shown in figure 12.3. You can alter the size, color, and speed of the bullets in settings.py. So I'm moving left and right, and nope, that did not work. I gotta fix code here. So let's see, line 77. The bullet object has no attribute draw bullet. Ooh. I gotta look at the code. Bullet dot draw bullet for bullet in self dot bullets dot sprites. Yeah, so let's go to def fire bullet. So it's def underscore fire underscore bullet, and then self in parentheses. Create a new bullet and add it to the bullets group. New bullet equals bullet self dot bullets dot add, and then a new bullet. Let's see, that's line 77. So let's go to line 77. That would be this line. Draw bullet. So I'm missing an attribute that is draw bullets. I think I missed more code to add. Okay. Wait, no, that's in the other file. Bullet.py. Fine. Update. Yep, I missed. Oh, how do I keep doing this? Okay, so def draw bullet self draw the bullet to the screen. Pygame.draw .rect self.screen. Nope, I'm not done. Self.color and self.rect. And save. going to run this one again. Going left, going right, and space to fire. Yeah! Ooh. Okay, it's working. And if I press Q, it doesn't quit. Yeah, I don't know why, because I looking over that one part that's about, it breaks the game, pressing Q, but okay, I'm gonna start the show. Okay, so everything we need to work is working. Okay, I can fire the bullets. I might modify them to look more like lasers. Make them red or blue or something later. But again, that's something that I'll mess with after I've gone through the project. I'll make changes, and they appear to be a really dark gray. Okay, I'm having too much fun here. How much more? Oh, okay. I'm going to go to the end of this chapter because that's 3 pages. And I'll end the stream at that point. Alright. Deleting old bullets. At the moment, the bullets disappear when they reach the top, but only because Pygame can't draw them above the top of the screen. Bullets actually continue to exist. Their Y coordinate value just grow increasingly negative. That is a problem because they continue to consume memory and processing power. We need to get rid of these old bullets or the game will slow down from doing so much unnecessary work. To do this, we need to detect when the bottom value of a bullet's rect has a value of 0, which indicates the bullet has passed off the top of the screen. Alright, so we go back to, let's end this. Restart the shell. We're at Alien Invasion, and we need to go to Death Run Game. And where it says true, we go. Okay, we go here, and get rid of bullets that have disappeared. All right, for bullet and self.bullets dot copy if bullet.rect.bottom oh my goodness is less than or equal to 0. Self.bullets.remove bullet. Print len, which is length, self.bullets, and close both of those, and let's save. So if I hit run, I'm guessing we won't actually be able to see this. Oh, okay. And now they're really slowed down too. And you can't see this. You know what? Let me move this over here. Okay. So you can see on this side there, it's telling me how many bullets currently exist. And then when they hit the top, it it subtracts it. So I'm just gonna So and it seems like 33 is the most I can get without destroying my keyboard. Okay, and now we're back to 0. Alright, I'm gonna restart the shell. So that's cool. Alright, I need to go back to settings. And for bullet settings, I need to, under color, I need to add a limit to the bullets allowed. So self.bullets allowed equals 3. Save that. Next page. This limits the player to 3 bullets at a time. We'll use this setting in Alien Invasion to check how many bullets exist before creating a new bullet. So we got to go back to Alien Invasion and Def Fire Bullet. Where'd you go? Oh, okay. So I got to do if len self dot bullets is less than self dot settings dot bullets allowed and okay, we'll save that. I'll run it to test it. So I'm hitting space and it's not letting me create. Yep, only lets me do 3 at a time. Yep. Cool. Alright, now we need to create the update bullets method. I want to keep the Alien Invasion class reasonably well organized. So now that we've written and checked the bullet management code, we can move it into a separate method. We'll call the method, we'll create a new method called update bullets, or underscore update underscore bullets, and add it just before update screen. So let's see, self.bullets. Oh, okay, so it wants me to go from here, I think. Wait, what? Wait, so update screen. So, okay, we'll edit just, just before the def update screen. Okay, so we're going to do def update bullets self and update the position of bullets and get rid of old bullets. position. Self.bullets.update. Where is that line? It's grayed out, indicating that this is a line that already exists. I am missing something here. Get rid of bullets that have disappeared. Or bullet in self. Oh, I think am I doing this wrong? I think I'm doing this wrong. I don't know. I'm not. I'm just gonna cut that. Probably breaking something right now. Paste it. Bullets and. Oh, update bullets. Okay, so I am supposed to do it from there. It doesn't include the print len though. You know what? That might be right. No, I'm just gonna. You know what? Let's just try it. We are just going to try it. We might break everything. By we, I mean me. Okay. Wait, that's not what that looks like. I'm already breaking it. I already know I am. Update bullet position. Well, it says it should have self.bullets.update. But I'm supposed to code update bullets is cut and paste from our games. All we've done here is clarify the comments while looping still looks like that. I'm gonna run it. It's probably not gonna work. Alright, left, right, fire, fire, fire. I can only fire 3 times. Not once they disappear, I can't get more. Okay, so that's wrong. What is this supposed to look like? I'm checking the code in these project files. So we had a let's check def run game. Okay, this all looks. Wait, self check events, ship update. Oh, what? Oh. I'm supposed to change this to update bullets. Okay, so I updated that. And then if we go back to for bullet, so let's go to def update bullets. So self.bullets update, that's correct. For bullet in self bullets copy and bullet.rect.bottom is less than or equal to 0. Self.bullets.remove bullet. It's leaving the print len in there for right now. Okay, but it looks like I'm probably have this fixed. Maybe. Probably. Well, let's just try it. Okay, so we're firing. I don't know why it's so slow. I feel like they were firing faster before. I feel like I didn't change anything that would affect speed. But who knows? Okay. Let's see. Was there any more code for this? Now that our main loop contains only minimal code, we can quickly read the method names and understand what's happening in the game. The main loop checks for player input and then updates the position of the ship and any bullets that have been fired. We then use the update positions to draw a new screen. Run Alien Invasion one more time and make sure you can still fire bullets without errors. Summary. In this chapter, you learn to make a plan for a game and learn the basic structure of a game written in Pygame. You learn to set a background color and store settings in a separate class where you can adjust them more easily. You saw how to draw an image on the screen and give the player control over the movement of the game elements. Create elements that move on their own. Excuse me. Like bullets flying up a screen. You deleted objects that are no longer needed. You also learn to refactor code in a project on a regular basis to facilitate ongoing development. In Chapter 13, we'll add aliens to Alien Invasion. By the end of the chapter, you'll be able to shoot down aliens, hopefully before they reach your ship. Chapter 13. Yeah, we are just about 2 hours into the stream. And this is probably not going to be a fast thing here. Yeah, chapter 13 seems to be pretty long. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's good for today. I don't know when I'll be streaming next. I'll try to do maybe I'll do one more time during the week. Maybe Wednesday or something. I know I can't on Thursday. I don't think I can on Friday. So it either have to be tomorrow or Wednesday. Follow my Twitter or my Discord. And I'll post it in there if I do. No guarantees. Maybe I'm definitely gonna try to do another one this weekend. Maybe I'll do a much longer one. Maybe like a 4-hour stream this weekend that I can do all of chapter 13. Let's see here. Okay, so chapter 13 adds aliens. Chapter 14 will add scoring. Let's see if I think chapter 14 is the last bit of the alien game. I'm trying to see what chapter is after that. Yeah. So there's a chapter 13 and there's a chapter 14 to tomorrow's Overwatch reset. You're right. Well, the ship looks cute. Well, thank you, Siren. I didn't pick that ship. That's the one the book chose. So I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I'll change it. I don't know. But yeah. Okay. So Tuesday is Overwatch reset. So no, it won't be Tuesday. So if I do it during the week again, it will be Wednesday. That's a maybe right now, depending on some things. And I definitely want to try to get one in this weekend. I don't know what my schedule this weekend is. I know. No, Saturday. Okay. Saturday I'm busy. Now I remember I got stuff going on. So I'll just say it right now. Sunday. Let's stream on Sunday. Yeah. We'll do Sunday. We'll do a long one on Sunday. And then who knows, maybe I'll finish up this project on Monday. And yeah. Fun stuff. Okay. Put my bookmarks in my book. Put it back on my shelf. Hell yeah, Sunday. Okay. We've got 5 people watching. Let's see if we got anyone online to raid here. Minimize all this here. And that. Let's do a raid. I need to open Chrome and go to Twitch to see who is streaming. Alright. We're gonna raid Paladin. Raid Paladin Jujaku. Okay. Thank you everyone for checking out the stream. It was fun. Learned a lot. Yay! Thank you, Siren. I do the heart thing, but I don't have a camera. I'm doing it now. There you go. Just for you. If you can't see it, you'll have to trust me. Alright. And I'm rating. I don't think so. Miles! Thanks for the rating.